Oh Lord. I'm also peeling against it. Even in this dinner and so fight. was watching Love is Blind.
Umuntu akabona semehlweni. Ngibona nje emehlweni fanele ngifake ibuko. Family words. Where? Oh, I'm here. But anyway, let me love you guys. And it's on the TV because okay, Bumita is service. Oh, good night. Good morning, guys. How you doing, my people? I'm going to gym today. Well, not to gym, but I'm going for a run. I'll judge. Yeah, I'm worrying. I'm so fine. It's irritating me, the fact that welcome back to my YouTube channel, by the way. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, and then you share. It's so hot. Yo, I need to do this 5 kilometers share. But now, I don't have my earphones. I'm so irritated. And I'm now training my earphones. And the only way I'm able to run is when I have earphones. So let's tackle this 5 kilometers. Oh guys, this park it is so cute. But I won't lie, ngikhathele mina. So I'm just doing I'm doing a bit of walking. I doubt if the 10 kilometers will be done. But siyancenga baba kunzima siyancenga Lord. Oh look, I know ngikhathele. Kathele. Hey bro, yile isilwane. Oh my Lord, yabona nani ilwane. Belong, but the park fludlala ngapark yendle. Yeah, when I can't do no kwacha. I'm at the park, tired, and then I have something in my face, so I look terrible. But I think I'll pass by there when I finish here, just to do maybe 5 minutes tummy, whatever. But I'm here at the park. I'm just walking. Yeah, Philip Swain. Oh Lord, I'm also peeling against it. I want to dinner and so I did a peel, ne? Get peel and so peel. Forget the sunscreen. Won't get you. Wait, it's not going to pack. Maybe sure. Wait, oh yeah, wait, no, I'm going to say. Hey, guys, man. Umngani wami uvela asigijimise guys. Alright. Hi guys. Gym is done. I just need to make gym is done and then I need to make breakfast. Making breakfast now, so I'm done with gym. I need to get the breakfast and go run some errands. Yeah, just need to like a man. I don't have a lot to do today, so I think after I'm done with running errands, I will come back, do a bit of not swimming, just do some work, and then I'll sleep. One thing also, I do a lot of groceries. I'm not so sure why. I do a lot of groceries. Oh, okay, I need to wash these dishes first. Yeah, let's wash the dishes first.
So now that I'm done eating and cleaning, I'm going to do my eyelashes somewhere in Sandton. I actually love them, so I'm doing my eyelashes just to look cute. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive straight to have lunch. I love Seven Villa, guys, so much. The smell, it is so beautiful. Okay, eat lunch, 10 to dinner. This is Tolama fire. We ate lunch and then we had dinner. They are past the 19, but of course, I will always have meat. And then I had my meat, chilled with the girl, and then after that, I drove home. So it's just the rule, bruh. When I get home, the first thing that I do, I pass by the bar and then I get a drink. Thank you so much, guys. Please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you leave a comment, and you share. Thank you for your support.